So today we are going to make a St.Johnswort infused oil. I'm going to talk a little bit about the properties of this plant, and then we're going to go into the hands-on making part. So this plant is really a wonderful ally, especially in the summer, I would say, when the moment when it grows and it flowers. In fact, we are after the flower and the bud. The flowers and the buds have the healing properties. The Latin name is Hypericum perforatum, and it has a lot of anti-inflammatories and antibacterial and astringent properties. So it's really perfect if you use it topically for wound healing, minor burns, sunburns. Also, I use it a lot for muscular pain. Can you say that? Like, I've been having a lot of lower back pain recently, and using this oil really helped me to kind of massage this oil on my lower back is really helpful. So also eczema and any inflammation on the skin, because it really cools down and help all of your skin to kind of repair itself and heal. The flowers and the buds, I gathered them yesterday. You can find it pretty much everywhere in like sunny spots, next to roads and grassland and cultivated ground and so on. And it can be found throughout Europe, some parts of Asia, some parts of the US and Canada, the UK. So it's really widely spread. So we'll need the flowers and the buds. And if you want to make sure that you got the right plant, of course, follow the description of the plant. But take the buds or the flowers between your two fingers and just rub and crush the flowers and the buds. And you will see this kind of like reddish, I don't know if you can actually see it, this actually reddish liquid that comes out from the buds is what we're after, is the hypericum, which is the substance that really heals and has a lot of medicinal properties. So here I have an example of my St.Johnswort oil. This has 2 weeks. It's slowly macerating, and as you can see, it's getting red. So it has this beautiful red color. In this recipe we'll use olive oil. Okay, and then you will need a clean jar. Then we're going to fill the jar with the fresh flowers and buds. We don't want to press them. We're just gonna gently place all the flowers into the jar. And then we're gonna just top all the flowers with the olive oil. And this is really it. We are gonna let all the air bubble come out. We want to really cover all the flowers with the oil. We don't want part of the plant to stick out from the oil, so we're just gonna gently press the flowers down so the oil is really like covering everything. Then we're gonna close it and wait for about 40 days. And some people place the jar in the sun. I prefer to leave the jar in a kind of cool and dark place, and that's it. So that's really it. And after 40 days, so this is about, as I said, 2 weeks in, And after 40 days you just going to strain all of the plant matter, so you will be left with the oil, and it will be a really dark red or bright red, it depends on the oil that you used, beautiful oil. And yeah, and that's it. And then you kind of rebottle it in a kind of clean bottle oil container, and you can use it pretty much straight after. And yeah, that's really it. It's super easy, super simple. You're definitely capable to do it, and I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments or whatever you want, if you want more of these kind of easy herbal videos to learn about how to make your own products and your own medicine. So have a wonderful time, and see you next time.